Professional carpet cleaning companies that offer Oriental rug cleaning services deal with various carpet problems like urine, food spillage, and stools. Pet urine in your carpet is one of the problems that requires a rigorous solution. The urine's chemical content distorts the color run of the rug, and the pungent odor is almost impossible to cover. It can also ruin the rug by making it less flexible and leaving cracks and folds, thereby weakening its strength. Ultimately, the presence of urine can attract the worst problem of all, moths. Now, you may be asking, how in the world can moths damage your carpet or rug? First of all, it's not the moth that damages your upholstery, it's their larva. Moths can lay a number of eggs in the carpet, and these can be very hard to locate. Once they hatch, that's where trouble starts because larvae can eat up your rugs and leave them in terrible condition. Another problem that you should look out for is the stool or regurgitation of your pet. Although its effects are not as complicated as that of pet urine, it can still be extremely gross. In fact, it can be so gross that homeowners may be compelled to remove this complex mixture on their own. Pet stool can weaken the dye and stain the pile with a different hue. If the pet defecates or regurgitates on the rug, clean the affected area right away, especially if you do not want your house to smell like horse stool. Clean it right away by picking up as much material as possible with a clean cloth. Other than cloth, use any tool that can scrape up all the foreign material like a spoon. Oriental Rug Care New York is a qualified upholstery restoration company that has been in the business for 37 years. Your carpet and rug is our expertise. We handle upholstery services such as standard or Oriental rug cleaning. We can also clear out any dilemma you have about any of your upholstery. Our expertise is in the fields of carpet and rug dyeing, stain and odor removal, carpet and rug cleaning, and rug and carpet repair. At Oriental Rug Care New York, our workers are highly qualified to give you the service you need, having undergone extensive training under close management. Feel free to contact us anytime soon, and you will be well on your way to bringing your damaged Oriental rug back to life. We are proud to offer our expert Oriental rug cleaning services to residential and commercial clientele in the Connecticut area, and offer free pickup and delivery to all of our customers. Call now the Connecticut Branch at 203-409-3417 and enjoy our free pickup and delivery service to all of our customers. Only Oriental Rug Care New York can promise personal attention and clean your Oriental rugs.